In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extend a video in Google Flow and create a longer, seamless continuation from an existing clip. So, let's get straight into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Once the website loads, select Create with Flow to enter the main creative workspace. If you already have a project, you can open it from your existing projects or generation history. Next, find the video clip you want to extend. Click on the clip to open it in the editing workspace. You should now see the video preview along with the available editing controls. Move the playhead to the end of the video or to the exact point where you want the new footage to continue. Now look for the Extend option in the editing tools. Select Extend to open the continuation settings. You'll see a text field where you can describe what should happen next. This part is important, so be specific. Describe the character's next action, camera movement, environment, lighting, and overall mood. For example, you could write something like, "The character continues walking forward as the camera slowly follows from behind with soft evening light and a gentle cinematic movement." Try to keep the description consistent with the original video. If there are important details you want to preserve, such as the character's appearance, position, lighting, or visual style, mention them in your prompt. Next, choose the video model you want to use for the generation. Select the model that best matches the style and quality of your original clip. Once everything's ready, click Generate. Google Flow will now create a new segment that continues from your existing footage. Wait for the generation to finish, then play the extended video from the beginning. Pay attention to the transition, character movement, camera motion, lighting, and overall visual consistency. If the continuation doesn't look right, go back to the description and make your prompt more specific. You can then generate another version until you get the result you want. Finally, combine the original clip and the generated extension to create your longer sequence. And that's it. That's how you can extend a video in Google Flow and create a more seamless, longer clip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI video tutorials and creative tips. See you in the next video.